My friend's sister.
My friend's sister.
My friend's sister. I know if he did that.
You know the bad do?
My friend's sister. It's not bad now.
No, I can't do that. How will I date my friend's sister? Is it my friend's sister?
Yes.
Date bad, make I date my friend's sister. Actually, if love is there, you know the bad.
It's not ideal. It's no good at all.
Why, you know? Yes, because we are not come to the same family, so it's my friend. So I can marry his sister now.
Yes. So now welcome back. Nancy Bobos here with Day. And I know say we still there with our able friend. Yes. They lay inside the bar today.
Shit.
No matter what they talk about, they very spluffic. When they talk, say you go fit date your best friend, sister, or brother. That doesn't matter what they talk about. Now, a lot of people don't talk plenty things for go for street or we'll go.
You know when we be go break, somebody for bar they talk for the corner where she sit down say it depends on the friend.
The friend.
If your friend now this kind of guy will be saying always caught and you know him. They spare anything. Anything where we are scared. Even if he wear skirt for 3, he go back of the street. If that kind of guy near your sister, man,
You go take off.
This way you talk now. Are you now from experience or like you talk about yourself?
you know where I say so. You know when person they talk,
Person
wait
talk
sit down for the that thing.
Person wait sit down for bar now.
This boy, be like who they hide, they sleep something. I hear what you were talking. I see the now because of people like you, they carry jampu for computer. Written on all the instruction. Answer 3 questions. You know talk face computer. Let computer tell you what to do. If you can't do it, leave it.
Okay, on the very serious with them. Yes. See, for instance, now because I want to say something, you need to check destiny also. Destiny they come into play. For instance, now me, I believe in friendship. Like now, I don't know this guy now for a very long while. I know, say even in this increaseness. He gets soft heart, you understand? He's still very
that one
okay.
we know.
So,
in case you know what they want, now one of the most caring person we you feel know. But now that madness, now we know if you just come out.
No, that one.
God, keep the caring attitude and remove the madness.
If you want love who they really be, you must love the madness joy.
Yes,
Thank you.
love me, boss.
So
Yes,
simple. So what I'm
love me.
Oh, geez.
Sorry.
Okay.
I don't
It's
I dey
okay.
try
No, it's
prove my
okay, it's
point.
okay.
I dey try prove am.
I don't change my point. I don't know you again.
Oh, yeah.
Because I say this guy no mad. Your man is going to go keep
But
my
wait,
sister.
show man. If you come my house, because I want to rephrase this your question.
Okay.
I know the joke with my sisters though. Because I don't carry my money, I don't invest for their head.
You need one
So if you bring your winch, because I know the question where they try talk. If you bring your winch,
No.
you bring this
Everybody here, our viewers, they all know that there are 2 people I love. Which they can tell you.
One, Buhari's daughter.
Buhari's
daughter,
daughter.
and then
Secondly, Juliet Ibrahim.
and I get one sister will be like Juliet so.
No, now how I won't put
Nah,
that
that
for the
one.
third one now.
I'm
Before
with
I
you.
used to love.
I go tell you say na wrong address.
What's your girlfriend's name?
Rita Dominic.
Rita
You don't feel meet up.
Rita
If
Mount,
you follow me, they drag Rita.
That Rita Mount na lollipop.
Have you been there?
Sorry.
Say person wait for the fear, yeah.
Have you been there?
This is the man you should be afraid of. Drink. This is the person that has been there.
Because if you have been there, me and you will just kill ourselves for this.
Am I ready?
I tell you. Have
I
you been there?
ready. Oh yeah,
Have you been there?
Leave her.
No,
Now it boils down to what we say, can you date your friend's sister?
Wait, I'm not talking of
your friend. Your friend. He don't date, excuse me.
Wait, I need to clear this matter. I need to clear this matter first.
Are you clearing?
The Rita, I'm not talking of Rita of Coco Mash.
Oh, I thought you were talking about
Rita Lori.
Rita Lori.
Which Rita?
Rita Dominic.
As far as we are concerned now.
Make I tell you the real name, Rita Nwatorocha Dominic. Yes.
Please check me.
Oh, thank you very
So,
much. That's the person we are talking about.
Chakaram, no more.
Hey.
You are no more with that girl again.
Snake in the monkey shadow.
Rita, so you are cheating on me.
Rita.
Shakara. So let's get back to the matter.
Let's get back to the matter.
Back to the matter because
You've been talk something. You've been talk something. Say say some friendships be like blood.
Yes.
Na serious bond. I dey believe say those kind of friendship. Some guys don't they like that kind of thing. Say me their friends so they extremely close to.
Yes.
Can date either their sister.
And I'll tell you very simple.
Maybe their sisters. You understand that kind of thing. Maybe their friends go date their brothers. That kind of thing. They
Bobo, you know why?
Because they were the one that say disrespect go date.
No. It's not about. It's not about.
He has a point.
I know your point. You understand? But you see, most times. For instance, now, there's no way you fit tell me, say, make I agree, make Shakara marry or date my sister. Reason be, say, I don't roll with them. I don't see how they crank many girls, break many people.
I have witnessed that.
But,
Yes, I have.
Now you see the problem. Now they say native doctor for house. They say medicine no dey work, but you don't keep it for the family. Now they come say na wicked person. Now because I dey play with you.
No, but Shakara, I'm saying, now example.
No worry.
Now example. I just use that example. But I know say people they change. Now, for instance, now if destiny dey inside that matter, and God don't talk say like now, say na me go marry Devile sister. There's no how you can help it. Na me go marry now, and na me go marry her.
You don't they change man.
I don't understand why they don't move now. No be Buhari daughter or
Juliet Ibrahim again.
He can't enter my sister.
No, the Bible says that the first shall be the last, and the last shall be the waiting. The first. Your sister was the last on my list.
Oh, no.
And I know say na go be the first.
I be like say I dey suspect say now because of showman my sister carry am when she run come out from Bobo's back. She dey find work that time. She come Bobo's back. Then she come say all this people. I tell her leave that place. Run for your life. I don't do it. Be like
In other news, Eddie, when a girl likes a guy, that's what they do. They do this kind of move.
But I don't enter that wahala with artists. That time when the artists do, if you see me trouble, you love your man, you know they know, I love your man. Now they pack them out to the for our area. They allow for the person within our house. Almost when I come find out, say Nadi, I love your boy. They pack us. I say now I come and say no.
They come find your sister.
No, I say no entertainers.
Yes, they come find your sister.
I say no.
Underage now. That's
not.
All
the
people
they come find that they get song. Wait, no they. Now I like to be chak waka
go.
Now the other way they sing Shemo available.
Okay.
And now say come back again.
Let me tell you.
I send out comment. Now the other one I leave the alaja leave.
You know the funny way.
That one I come back to myself. I said, bros, you're in the wrong place.
Raise your hand up. Just your right, no, your left hand.
Left, yes.
If I be a man of God,
Yes.
Your sister not go marry musician. She go either marry presenter, comedian, or politician.
If I talk, say ignore the prayers. Ignore the prayers, ignore it.
There's some prayers that you ignore.
Ignore it.
You don't believe this one.
Ignore it.
But meanwhile, before we go for our next break,
Yes.
all this thing what they talk now, you know, say na poor man and they say beer they bitter. If your friend hold pepper,
Thank you.
you know say you go break protocols.
But if my friend,
now that time you go no say
Shakara,
to live as a family is
no,
good.
no, but
You say we all are family.
no, but he get friend we go money. If Shakara, even if Shakara get billions, so Shakara come be your sister. There are some men that the pennies. Shakara has a very long.
How you tell no say I get big?
From what people say. From what people say.
Then give us review, critical
You know
analysis of your pekus.
Every girl complains
I don't want to talk with
my womb when they leave you. We don't want that.
Because let us do your opinion when we come back. I'm tired.
This pekus blue in the mouth.
See,
This so outside the product.
We don't want it. We don't want any problem.
Shakara.
To me, no, nothing there.
Not bad though, but I fit date her now. If God say na two of us be husband and wife, fine.
As long as the guy dey responsible and everything. So you know the kind brother wey you get and you know the kind friend wey you go keep.
I don't know, it depends though. I can't really say yes or no.
My brother friend. No. Need to grow more than me now.
No, like it depends. I don't know, it depends on the connection. I don't know.
Except your brother tell you say you no want make you follow the boy because you know the kind of person wey he be.
Someone wey dey friend together, you go know the person whether he's a good person or he's a hand robber. If it's somebody that have God fear, can marry if God say yes.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now, since your opinion, we carry something.
We are back.
We don't come back.
Yes,
we still dey with Derele inside
Habali.
back. And Shakara and Showman. And I don't hear
No,
wetin see them talk. Some babes them talk say only if your brother tell you say the guy no good. But some of them talk say the connection, you know, that kind of thing. But for me, I dey look am say he get advantage, he get disadvantage.
That kind of thing.
Really, he get advantage, he get disadvantage. Why they talk am like this? Now, some friends go there will be say when they start to dey crank your sister, then you go lose small respect for where they dey.
Yes.
Then some girls dey too, where be say if them be your sister, then they crank your friend, where be guy, you go lose respect. The same thing goes too for women. You understand? That's what they be.
And if they do
an advantage there sometimes where we say then they kind of close to each other.
If they do illegal business,
they will get the bond and all those kind of things.
with your friend, like you do yahoo. You can't marry. Your wife can ask you say, so what's the business you are doing? You know what fit talk am because you know say your friend they involved. And if she insists, you can't talk am. Now you don't cast already. A lot of things involved.
I don't really see. To me, I don't see anything bad there.
Of what?
Of you dating your friend's sister.
Why you be like this?
No matter why I be like
now
that.
You just talk down and say before now say
no,
you know
no,
good.
No. You know why?
Uh-huh.
You know say when you dey talk something, you dey think am, go to that side. When I don't think
you mean when you don't drink plenty of the alcohol, you can't drink.
Yeah, he get back at this boy. What are you gonna make yourself? My friend.
You know what I mean? I mean when your party increase sometimes, but
he's just mad.
So sometimes if you look calm, go to the angle, you can find love in hopeless places.
Ooh, I like that. Hopeless place.
I always see that one day you be romantic. I knew one day.
You know there's also a sentimental side to
my
Shakara.
God.
You have
Yes,
because when
yes.
Shakara wants to crank, even with the cranking, he does it with style. I don't see a way he don't sugarcoat one person when the person no bring. But the person just come here.
So now they all know we are all saying it. Now they all know.
The person come work, the person come inside room for morning. Now she come and she does everything. I don't do it. The teeth will come out.
Now lie, you see, but
only you.
We go now to $1,000 for Port Harcourt.
Oh, so you agree?
Wait, I come.
Okay,
He made him say the girl was not feeling fine.
Yes.
And the time I don't say she no
Doctor,
well.
look at
That's
her.
all.
Yeah.
Don't believe anything with the relator.
So he was
the story
the doctor
ended.
now. The girl was not feeling
And
fine.
that person,
He was in the
sister.
doctor.
Oh.
Shakara?
Before every girl must be person. Even a shower waiting for road, where you carry.
Where you
As
carry.
you do, we don't know whether your sister don't do a shower.
No problem. Because you don't get sister.
Let me
You don't get sister.
No, me. Let me the only respect a shower. If I carry a shower, they cook Indomie.
Make we do one last one. When we come back, we go do the final take on top of the show with the come back. Now one last one with the carry Sonji Zone. Yes, so now welcome back. Now still Bubbles here and we did. They send you every church and things on top Bubbles and babies them. And we know say,
Yes.
Una
They
enjoy,
talk,
una
they
enjoy
talk.
Why
the
they
show
cover
today.
you?
They talk, they
And
talk.
we
they
dey
cover
with our
am?
guy.
Our world don't spoil that.
find
I
like
say
this, so.
before you feel leave your partner with your friend.
Okay.
That is when I mean friend. Like I feel leave my partner with Dewele, but not with Ugwa and Shakara. Because you are not sure of coming. Shakara thought your girlfriend one day she's pregnant.
Wait. What happened for your house last week? No more go through life story now. Come on, say we did bad.
Simple.
Okay.
In friend, they did the same house with some guys.
No, not the same house. The same.
Allow Shakara to talk.
Friend,
Allow Shakara
the
to
friend
talk.
get heartbreak. You can't cry, go me this one. You know, say when you the console person, you go put head for your
Nah, so shoulder.
chest. Say sorry, you call the tapper. I know where to tap for girl body. You know what I'm saying? And this part of girl body, girl where you go tap and reach. The girl where you go tap and reach, it be like never this thing. Light go begin connect.
Oh shit!
Sorry.
So that's why the tap. That's what you.
Now so you take crack another person girlfriend. You dey talk rubbish now.
Yeah, and Allah you don't like so
But
because I never laugh.
But the truth now say showman, you know say person like you, they don't feel live
Sorry,
in partner
not
with
be
you.
maybe the topic of discussion.
No, we
they
just
say
dey tell
before
you now.
feel
No,
leave your partner
but
with.
I dey tell you now.
I don't tell you
we don't feel
say
live
my
our
life
partner
right
with
now.
you.
Naim be Omarion, Chris Brown, and Jenny Aiko.
Post on
Okay,
it.
if I may ask the
You don't try with me.
Wait, I want
When I feel leave my
question.
partner with Sam.
No,
before now.
no, wait a while. So I ask you whether if somebody live in partner where you be like,
You won't talk to me.
you understand? Where be your spec with you, go. Is that partner
Where
safe?
the person they go to start?
Maybe
Let
for
me
instance,
let me
maybe
just
just
Oh, the person they travel. How long the person they travel? How long the person they travel?
You smart,
No, because me, I don't go lie you. I don't go lie you. The
When
person
are
come
you
waka
spec?
go. We can't maybe
Your
they watch
spec.
one kind film
Yeah.
where they very
Like
you know,
blue film.
I can't be your place
No, not
romantic.
even Bluefield, not the company. Are olden days now.
Ta! Why you lie? Ta! I don't like
I
that.
tell you, I'm not lie for your real life. I don't feel put Bluefield that me again day. Make cranky call the agree me. I swear to God, my you know even feel stand. I mean, joke.
I beg. Time you don't
Shakara.
You are a liar.
Shakara.
Yes, sorry.
Just one word from you because Sam no be our friend.
Okay.
They don't say we can rap
No,
on
but
the whole thing. We
you know
don't
they
really
say
talk
that
plenty.
with 4 China phones, you can start a party. You can't just here. With the China phone, we don't start tsunami of life. Okay.
One word.
Yes.
You go fit.
I go fit. It go hard
Date
me.
your friend, sister.
Of course, I go definitely fit now.
Yes,
and it depends on the relationship I even get with the friend in question. If we be acquaintance, but if we be friend, I go sit with, I go tell, I like your sister, die. And I ready, and I don't go take and joke.
But you go gree make I fit.
But then
Showman.
for you, showman, now to now come to my house and say you want to carry,
No, but you're not a good person.
Chakara. You wait to be on talk.
Let me say, I
My
want
last
to catch
talk
all
for
of us
today.
that time.
Now about the relay.
Yes.
You know that I meet the relay for that Nigeria Film Award.
I don't get time again.
Wait now, that's my
me
last
talk-
take now. Now I call first and say, you see this dress where you wear?
Yes,
For
sir.
this day, I say,
Must wear a call, yeah.
I want me wear a con this
Oh,
back.
no, no.
I can wear a con.
I tell you say anyhow we pay you now.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.